In this series of videos, we'll be recreating this American bungalow style of house. Now, whenever we're talking about an American bungalow style of house, oftentimes it's a 1.5-story building. In this case, I've cheated a little bit by making it one main floor with a finished basement area looking out over whatever our view happens to be. If we take a look at the first floor plan, we'll see that the main living area is all here on the first floor, which is another typical feature of a bungalow style. You have the great room up here, a dining room area, the kitchen, pantry, master bathroom, which also serves as the main bathroom for this floor. There's a bedroom area, which might be considered the master bedroom, and a closet for it. Also, if we take a look down in our basement, we'll see that we have a storage room area, a living room area, a bedroom area, which might be the guest bedroom, as well as a utility room, which is going to have our dryer, our washing machine, the water heater, and our furnace in it, and the always easy to overlook electrical panel here, actually supplying electricity to our building here. Now that we've walked through the building, let's go ahead and take this into REVIT Architecture and recreate it.